Hello, my dear students. You are welcome to Walnook School of Mathematics. Sudip sir, .math here, discussing about algebraic identity and its application, like a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. But using these, we can find higher power of the expression like this. If if x plus 1 by x equal to root 2, x plus 1 by x equal to root 2, find the value of like x to the power 2026 plus 1 by x to the power 2026, this type. Or it can like x to the power 2027 plus 1 by x to the power 2027. Or it may x to the power 2025 plus 1 by x to the power 2025. Or it may x to the power 2024 plus 1 by x to the power 2024. So from this you can find this higher power just using a plus b whole square or a plus b whole cube. Okay? To do this, since x plus 1 by x equal to root 2, squaring both sides, we get, by squaring both sides we get x plus 1 by x whole square equal to root 2 square. Okay. Now simply use a plus b whole square. You know a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So use this a square plus 2ab. 2, this is a, this is b, plus b square equal to root 2 square means 2. So from this you can get x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square equal to 2. Now these two cancel. Simply x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. So this is another value. Now we note down x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x equal to root 2. This is given. This is number 1. Second condition, we get x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Now cube this. Just cube this. Okay. X plus 1 by x whole cube equal to root 2 whole cube. Okay, cubing both sides. Now a plus b whole cube can be written a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equal to root 2 square is 2 and another root 2, that will be 2 root 2. Root 2 whole cube means 2 root 2. Root 2 whole cube means 2 root 2, and this is the formula of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now put this root 2. X plus 1 by x is root 2. Now put this root 2, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus x cancel, 3 root 2 equal to 2 root 2. Now right side, take this into right side. X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Simply x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to minus root 2. So the another value is x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to minus root 2. Okay. Now we will simplify this. X square, this part, x square, since x square already we know x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Now LCM, take LCM, this is by 1, so you can take LCM as x square. This will be x4 plus 1 equal to 0. Cross multiply this right side, you will get x to the power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So simply x to the power 4 equal to minus 1. Okay, another value is x to the power 4, x to the power 4 equal to minus 1. So this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Now from this 4 condition we can find all the required values. Like number 1, the question was x to the power 2026 plus 1 by x to the power 2026. Now you know 2026, this can be written x to the power 2024 plus 2. This 2024 can be written 4 into 506. 4 into 506, that is 2024. So this 2024 directly we can write x to the power 4 whole to the power this 506 into x square. Check it. This is 2024 plus 2. You know x to the power a whole to the power b, that will be x to the power ab. In this is rule, x to the power a whole to the power b, x to the power ab, and x to the power a dot x to the power b, it will be x to the power a plus b. Now this is 2024 plus 2, that is 2026. Clear? So we will use this formula. Similarly, this will be also x to the power 4 whole to the power 506 into x square. Okay, because x to the power 4 into this x to the power 2024 plus 2 2026. Okay. Now you know the value x to the power 4 equal to minus 1. Put this value, just put this value x to the power minus 1 whole to the power 506 into x square plus here also minus 1 to the power 506 into x square. You know minus 1 to the power any even number will be positive. Minus 1 to the power 506 will be also positive. Any even minus 1 to the power even power will be 1. So this will be 1 into x square 1 into x square plus 1 by 1 into x square. So this will be x square plus 1 by x square. You know the value x square plus 1 by x square is 0. So this value will be 0. Number 1, x to the power 2026 plus 1 by x to the power 2026 will be 1. Because this will be x square and this will be 1 by x square. You know x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. So this is 0. Clear? Now, second question was, this is 27. 2027. Now this is 2027. X to the power 2027 plus 1 by x to the power 2027. So this is x to the power 2024. This will be 3. X to the power 2024 plus 3, that is 27. Now 2024, this will be 3. This will be 3, simple, very simple. This will be 3. This will be 3. And this will be 3. So this will be x cube plus 1 by x cube. You know x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to minus root 2. So your answer will be minus root 2. Clear? We change this x 2027. This will be 506 into 4. That is 2024 plus 3. That will be 2027. Okay? Clear? Now third question, I think 2025. 2025. Then it will be, this is 2024 plus x to the power 1. This is 2024 x to the power 1. Then it will be minus 1 to the power 2025 26 into just x. This will be just x because this is 2024 plus 1 2025. So this will be x only. This will be x only. So this will be x plus 1 by x. You know the value of x plus 1 by x root 2 only. So your answer root 2. Clear? So x to the power 2025 plus 1 by x to the power 2025 will be root 2. Similarly, number 4, question number 4, this is 2024. 2024. 2024. So itself 2024, 4 into 506 itself 2024, so no another x required. So this is 2024. Now x to the power 4 is minus 1 to the power 506 and this will be 506. Okay? No x required. So this is x plus, this will be 1 plus 1, this will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Clear? Like this, we can find any type of powers like 2026, 2028 or higher value or smaller value. Now, my question is, you have to find number 5, you have to find 2028 and give me reply on comment box. So, for you, question is, find the value of same condition this x plus 1 by x equal to root 2. Find the value of x to the power 2028 plus 1 by x to the power 2028. This question is for you. So, find this value and reply me on comment box. Okay? Find this value x to the power 2028 plus 1 by x to the power 2028 and put the result in the comment box. Okay? And reply me. Thank you.